Hi, I'm Jesse Corvid. This is my wife and I's dog Rocket, and this is my wife Virginia. And we're about to learn how to tie a trucker's hitch, which is like a dynamic knot, much better than bungee cords. Once you know how to do it, you'll see it all over the place. Okay, let's loop around the load once to sort of steady it. Keep the bundle together. And then that end in your hand, in your right hand, gets a bowline or a figure eight on the bite.
Where do I want it to be? Like here?
Pretty up
here?
close to the load, I think. That's great. Okay. Now take the other end of the rope and put it through the loop.
Doesn't want to stay open. There we go. That?
Yeah.
Is my bundle taut enough?
Let's go, go the other way actually, take up some of the slack so that this loop gets up closer. Okay, now come down sort of close to what makes this dynamic is you're going to put a slip knot here, and the active part of the slip knot is going to be toward the load. You don't have to pull it tight yet.
Okay.
No, just make a slip knot. We didn't practice this, folks. Make a slip knot here. And make the pulley part of the slip knot. No, that's not a slip knot.
I don't know how to make a slip knot.
Oh, okay. Here, hold the camera.
Between the two.
Here, hold the camera.
Okay. You can demonstrate for me.
Slip knot. Slip knot, right? Slipping.
Okay, it's like a single 8.
Yeah.
Try. That?
And that
Is that high enough?
No, you want the operator of that slip knot? Yeah, on the other side. I know. It's a lot of sort of cognitive skills. Make it down lower. Make it. There you go. Make it right there. You got the operator on the.
I don't know what you mean
on
by
the part.
operator.
The part.
This
the
thing?
the slidey. The slidey thing.
That's right.
Okay. Now go through that with your rope. Now pull it away from you. Just away from you. Yep. There it is. That's the trucker's hitch, folks. Now just go around right here and just grab it. Just pinch it right there and it'll hold. And pop a loop. You're making a knot, but not a knot. No, just a loop. Sorry. Yep, and then come back through here. No, don't.
Go back through where?
Don't pull. No, you did it right. I just didn't explain it fully enough. Just push a loop through there.
Oh, I get it. Okay.
Because this is the cool part of a trucker's hitch. There. It's like a calf roper. I got it. Okay, now we drive. Okay, and we get to where we're going, and we want to unload it. Show them how it's done. There it is. Isn't that cool? That is a trucker's hitch. My wife, she's very smart. Easy student. There's Rocket. Okay, that's it for today.